Need to pick up your FedEx package somewhere else? Here's how to reroute it to a nearby FedEx location for secure pickup. First, head over to the FedEx tracking page. Enter your tracking number or reference number to pull up your shipment. Click on Manage Delivery, then select Hold at Location. Acknowledge the change in delivery date by clicking Continue. You can cancel anytime by clicking Never Mind. Pick the FedEx location or retail partner closest to you from the list of options provided. Enter your phone number or email so you'll get notified when the package is ready for pickup. Review your details, click Submit, then confirm by clicking Done. And that's it. You've successfully rerouted your FedEx package for pickup. Safe, simple, and convenient. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.